DJI Mavic 3, first flight with the DJI RC. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. It was exciting news when DJI announced a firmware update that enabled the DJI RC to be used with the DJI Mavic 3. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to take the DJI Mavic 3 up and testing it with the new connection to the DJI RC. So here's the connection to the DJI RC. And let's get this show on the road here. Okay, so let's get her up here and see what we got. It is a wonderful day out here, just absolutely wonderful. Okay, we're about 120. We're going to knock it down just a tad here a little bit. A couple of things that I want to test here today. Well, I really wanted to look at the range with this. This is actually pretty decent in the sun. Let's give you a look, see what it's like in the sun there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip the drone around here a little bit. Let's move it down. I'm going to go ahead and get the orientation the other way here. Let's take a look and just kind of get a shot and a feel for what's going on there. Okay, I think we're about lined up here. So let's take a look and see how it works. We're shooting in 4K, 60 frames per second here. Looking good, 105 feet, 33 miles an hour, almost 800 feet away. Looking real good. Just over 1,000 feet away. Looking real good. Signal's nice and crisp and clear. No problem with that. About 1,400 feet. 1,500. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn it around and take it down to the highway. And I like having these grid lines on here. That really helps with orientation. I'm going to take it all the way down to the highway here. Slight course correction. It'll be overhead. I can almost hear it now. And it is overhead. It's right at 105 feet. Past 1,000 feet, looking real good here. Okay, we're almost up here at the highway. Okay, we're here. Yeah, I'm going to change the orientation a little bit, and then I think we're going to try something else with the video here, so hang on a sec. Stop the video. Let's go ahead and we're going to try some slow motion here. We're at 1080p, 200 frames a second. Let's get this adjusted here. Trying to shoot a little bit of this in slow-mo, see how this comes out. All right, I think that's good for that. We're going to turn it back to normal, shooting in 4K 60, and we got that back on. We're going to go ahead and go back down to the waterfall, and then we're going to try shooting a 1080p. This is the distance is 2441 feet, and I've had no loss of signal. Everything looks absolutely spot on with this. Very pleased with the RC with the Mavic 3 here. So let's go ahead and turn it around. We're going to get it down to the entrance to the development here. One of the things I really like about the DJI RC is it's not as heavy as the DJI RC Pro. There's something to be said for that. With the entrance, I'm going to stop it here. Change the orientation just a little bit. Let's go ahead and adjust the gimbal here. We're going to stop this video, and then we're going to go ahead and do slow motion here. And there we are. We're shooting slow motion. We have a wonderful waterfall at the entrance to our development here. It's really nice. Okay, we're going to switch it back to normal. Turn that video back on. And we're going to go ahead and bring her home here. So far, I am very impressed with the DJI RC with the Mavic 3. This is just absolutely fantastic. We are getting overhead here. All right, we nailed the landing on that. So that was a very successful test of the DJI RC with the Mavic 3. question of the day: what did you think of my first flight with the DJI Mavic 3 with the DJI RC? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll